First of all, you need a video idea. It has to be something you are passionate about, since you will make similar content for the rest of your channel. It can be your hobby, work, or even your life if it's interesting enough. But it has to give value to the viewer, and has to have enough keyword search volume and lower than average competition. Understand that it's unlikely that people will watch just some random vlog if they don't already know you. Okay, now on to the next point. Script, record, and edit the video. For that, you can find tutorials online, and I will be doing some in the near future also. Remember that it's important to hook the viewer at the start of your video, and it's important to keep the viewer watching, since audience retention is important. Also remember to add call to action to the video, to remind people to subscribe and like the video. Next step would be uploading the video with the right tags, keywords and start of your description and title. But what's even more important before anything else is a good thumbnail, since it's the driving force of people clicking on your video. Now, I know making good thumbnails is hard, even if it looks easy. I will be making a video about that soon, so click that subscribe button and like the video. After that, it's the analytics time and interacting with your viewers. Always, and I say always, answer to comments you get, at least when you are starting out and it's manageable. You can also check a lot of different things in your analytics about where your viewers come from. For example, what they have searched for before clicking on your video, or from what video did they come over from. With this information, you can decide on your next video, since it isn't necessary to reinvent the wheel. Okay, I have told you what's important, so please like the video and comment below what you would like to see as a video, either a thumbnail tutorial or keyword research tutorial. And of course, share your stories of why you decided to start a YouTube channel. I'm interested to know. Bye.